Well, hey everybody, Brad here again. This is just a quick informational video on how to pair your phone to your late model Honda infotainment system. So in this example, again, it's my 2018 Honda Clarity, but any of the ones that are like this, I think even like the Civics and all that, or the Type R, any one of them, even if they have the volume knob, they should behave the same. So this is your home screen. If you're not sure, just push home. Mine's obviously beeping at me because it's there. So you go to settings, you go to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth device list. Obviously I'm doing this with my left hand. Add Bluetooth device. Yeah, make sure it's undiscoverable. You got to check your phone, you know how to do that, I'm sure. Click continue, and this hopefully won't take more than a couple of seconds, but let's see what's going on here. There it is, that's my phone. Click add, confirm that that's the thing that shows up on my list. Obviously it does. Click pair. Oops, no, I don't do that. And there it is. So, and this is, in this case too, it's kind of interesting. This is the cellular device that Honda Link will use in an event of an accident. So, i.e., if you crash, this is the one that would you could set it, and I will because it's my phone, to be the one that will call home 911, etc., etc. So, there you go. It's going to start playing music shortly. I won't subject you to that, but that's how you pair your device. And again, the Home Link thing or the Honda Link thing is actually kind of a cool safety feature. So, anyway, as always. If you like this content, maybe throw me a like and a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Perhaps browse my channel for other Honda Clarity related things. And as always, I hope you guys all have a great day, and thanks for watching.